What's going on, fellas? We back after a few months of being out. No videos. Finally back. We moved back to Delano. No more Avenal. But on today's video, I'll show you guys installing the new lights on the Mamalona with the help of Johnny 5150 over at BCA. He'll be helping me out today. He'll probably be doing all the work. I'll be supervising. But let me show you guys the lights. So these are the lights here. We're going to be installing them to that Mamalona right there. Got tired of her looking basic. Got to do some few upgrades on it. These headlights, they weren't cheap. A little pricey, about $1,500, almost $1,600 with the taxes and shipping and whatnot. But we had these lights for months, even at the other house. We had them chilling. I think it's time to slap them on. Let's see how they look. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we're on the road. Like I said, little update. We are no longer in Avenal. We came back to Delano. Feels good to be back in Delano. Today's video, installing those lights. I'm heading over to Bakersford Car Audio with Johnny 5150. He'll be helping me out installing. He has all the tools and all that. I think I'm gonna let him do all the job. He probably knows what he's doing more than me. And then later in the afternoon, they have this meet that goes on every other Wednesday here in Delano. It's at Mount Mike's, I believe. Mount Mike's, yeah, parking lot. So just stay tuned. Let's see how this video turns out. Hit that like, comment below. My 10 loyal followers. Check it out. We're arriving here at BCA. Yeah, it looks a little packed. Let's see if Johnny can squeeze me in. Bakersfield Car Audio. And who do we have here? The Maderon VP. This truck is here too. Okay. What is he doing to it? Let's go ahead and step inside. Let's see what Johnny can do for us. Ahí va la cosa. Like I said, I just came here to supervise. Johnny's doing all the work. There's a bolt missing. Ah, cabrón. Dirty ass motherfucking truck. Man, Johnny got a lot going on here. So we out here. I can't borrow Johnny's tools. This one for some reason wasn't working, but this tool was. Shout out to Johnny and BCA taking care of me. Look at sheesh. Done motherfucking deal. Thanks to Johnny. It's a good thing you accept EBT now. Fuck. Lifesaver. Are you wait? Look, alright. So was it EBT cash or food? One of the whips they have here at BCA they're working on. One of the clients. What do you got going on inside? ZR1. Okay. got Rob and Paco working out in the back. Fucking beauty. Here's the final product. Sheesh. It's fucking clean. Chopping. Got a bunch of rides out here they're working on. Nice fucking lift. Oh, dude got money. American Forces. Let's head out, let's head out. Say, what you gotta say for you to Rob?
Stop being on drugs.
What? Then how would people get paid out here? That's all there is in Bakersfield.
Marijuana.
That shit don't have a fucking cost no more.
Who invited this guy? Who's friends with him? Huh?
I just heard you guys were hiring and couldn't apply.
Oh,
General labor.
generate recall.
The staffing company sent me over here.
Do the motherfucker still talk?
Cause I'm really cool for shit since I got a little fame. People all on my dick, but I'm just doing what I'm supposed to. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing major, I'm just keeping this shit playing like I'm supposed to. If you don't know, let me show you.
We all got the meat for the pack. Recommend y'all to come every Wednesday. No, shout out to your business, bro. What is it? What is it?
Soy Chelada, bro.
Esos guys aquí con el coffee no chinguen.
Kind of cold.
Right here we're selling air fresheners. Okay, they smell like air. Pick 3 for $5 or 5 for $10.
No más porque no quieres.
No, porque no quieres.
There it is. That looks better. Where's that, Johnny?
I am a changed man. Alcohol should not enter this temple. Jesus Christ has named as my body.
Amen.
Damn, I should write a book.
Undercover.
Undercover. Yeah, I want to say that, bro. For your profession, people don't believe.
Street name 52.
Oh, I got to tell you that story about.
Don't tell me the story.
52.
Don't tell me the story.
I got to tell you that story.
You already said it, you know what I mean?
52.
Say it, say it.
I can't say that story on live because it involves our people. And with his profession,
You can't change the names? Is it? This one, Giovanni, go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, I already tried them.
¿Te hace daño el cafecito con mi enchilada? I don't know. Mira, él lo tiras, pues. Que según tomadores le tiran todo. Goloso. ¿Te gustó o no? There's no refunds. Alright, thank you, bro.
who's AMPM?
¿Hola, querer o qué? ¿Hola, querer?
Estoy tomando café, güey.
Acá también todos ir al café. Digo,
Your coffee.
les va a pegar una chorrera a los cabrones, pero.
Es una vanilla latte.
I don't know, but that truck is going like this. I think that the tire blew up.
The shock's messed up on it.
The shock's messed up on it, I think.
Tony sat on this side. Tony sat over here on this side of the line.
Listen here, goggles.
You can't find the switch.
Oh. Get a show off.
I know he is,
That's cute.
Just like him.
Guys, we're gathered here today at Delano, California. Breaking news. Somebody got pulled over. Don't know the reasons, but it seems like the tags were expired. Okay, the tags were expired by a day and a half. We wish them luck. And wait a minute, that's my mom.